Hi everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a Sephora Beauty Director.
Hey, I'm Melinda, also a Sephora Beauty Director.
And today we're talking about warm and cozy fragrances. Lots of notes of like vanilla and cedar and just like things that make you feel warm and cozy. If you don't have a fireplace in your home, you're gonna kind of feel like you have one after this video. We also have a special treat for you. We have a fragrance promo. Fragrance promos, they're pretty rare. So, you know, if you have a favorite fragrance or if you find something today that really interests you, I implore you to go out and get 20% off your fragrance for a very limited time. So let's jump into the goodies because we have some favorites of ours here that we really want to share with you.
Okay, so when I think about warm and cozy, I feel like we always have this little theme of vanilla, right? Well, this one is from Seven Virtues. This is the Vanilla Woods Eau de Parfum, and it is pear, rose, and vanilla.
I love pear so much.
I love pear. I think you and I have that in common. Like even when it comes to like drinks, like I prefer pear to apple, and pear, it's just like it's a little bit drier, it's a little bit less sweet, but it's that subtle bit of sweetness that you want. And I just love this. I think that it's really kind of stress alleviating as well. The scent, like it kind of just brings me down and makes me feel like really like warm and just calm, and I imagine myself sitting by a fireplace and just chilling out. But I love that they incorporate pear in this one because it's a little bit more rare for these warm kind of gourmand fragrances.
And I like that the rose isn't too overpowering. I actually didn't know that there was rose in it until I like looked at the notes, because the rose isn't spicy at all. If you've ever smelled a fragrance that has a spicy type of rose in it, it just lets the vanilla and the pear kind of play together. And it's one of our clean and Sephora fragrances. If you're someone who feels like they can't wear fragrance, maybe something's too strong, or you don't like a lot of alcohols and things like that, the Seven Virtues is a great brand to try.
Like smell.
I love it. I wear it all the time. So my second one, actually, I think if you like this one, you will like this one.
Yeah.
They remind me of each other. So this is from Maison Margiela. This is the Replica by the Fireplace. I think I've talked about this at least 20 times.
So many times, but it's really good.
So many times, because it's one of my favorites. And this kind of reminds me of this, but it's smokier. This is a gender neutral fragrance. Most of the Maison Margiela fragrances are gender neutral. So if you want something with a little bit more bite, a little bit more something, this is really nice because it has a bit of like a burnt wood, clove, and vanilla sort of scent to it.
Sultry is the word that comes to me for that one.
It's very much like Rich Husband by the Fireplace. Very much so. Like, I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorites because we live in LA, and you know, we live somewhere where they throw fake snow off of ledges at the mall. So it's like, it's very hard to like fake the funk with the holidays. So anything that I can do when I invite people over for holiday dinners, I will spray this, or I will get the candle. So I have the candle here. This is the By the Fireplace candle. I'll light this. I'll smell this. I absolutely love these. So you can choose. If you prefer to maybe not wear the vanilla on your person, you can do the candle, or you can do the fragrance, which I highly recommend.
So this one is just like so chic. This one's from Tom Ford. It's the tobacco vanilla, and it also has ginger in it. So tobacco,
zing,
vanilla, ginger,
and ginger's kind
zingy.
Of spicy too. It's like kind of spicy heat.
Again, all of these have like a little bit of that common thread of vanilla, the warm, cozy like scent, but the pear in this one, the ginger in this one, it just depends on like your preference and what you're looking for. And it smells like fresh ginger. Like it smells like ginger that you would like literally get at the grocery store and cook with.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's not like harsh at all. I think you think of tobacco and ginger together, you think that's gonna like pow hit you in the face real quick, but it's very subtle and like very soft, which I really like.
All of these are just so neutral.
So next up we have more candles. This is from Forever Mood. This is the candle duo set. Every fragrance has a cute name. Like this is Sip Happens and Floral Play. The Sip Happens I really like because it's Prosecco and pomegranate, and then the Floral Play has some gardenia, and then it has some white cedar in it. So this is really nice because it's not overly floral, but it's like kind of powdery and nice, which is really pretty.
I like that a lot. It's kind of fresh too.
Which is really good. So this is definitely a way to set the mood. Maybe keep your favorite one, gift the other. We do that all the time.
I feel like if I was going to a party, someone was hosting at home, and I were to bring this as a gift, it would be perfect. Like the presentation.
I think that is so nice. I would love to get this gift as a host for a party.
Okay, my last one is just absolute gorgeousness. I really like this bottle a lot. This is from Yves Saint Laurent. This is the Black Opium Eau de Parfum Extreme. And so this fragrance is a little bit different. It does have the vanilla in it, and it's actually vanilla bourbon, but it also has jasmine and coffee. And coffee, I think, is really what sets it off. I don't personally drink coffee, but I find the scent incredibly like familiar and soothing. And when we talk about like warm and cozy, I feel like, you know, you just imagine like sitting with your cup of coffee by a fireplace.
I haven't smelled the Extreme though.
It doesn't smell like coffee, but the coffee in it kind of grounds the vanilla, the jasmine. I got this one for my sister already for this year.
It's nice. Yeah, our friends and family get hooked up, so good for them.
Well, and there's a 20% off promo.
20% off. Don't say I didn't warn you. Go get your fragrance for sure. I know there's always a fragrance somebody wants. That was fun.
Yeah.
The whole studio smells really good.
The whole studio smells really yummy. Make sure that you like go out there, try fragrances, look online if you want to. We actually have Fragrance Finder on Sephora.com that you can use to kind of check that out. And they make such a good like luxe gift for yourself, for a host of a party, maybe just a holiday gift in general. Let us know in the comments below too. I want to hear some of your favorites because, you know, Myiesha and I, we smell just about them all, but it's nice to hear different perspectives. Make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss out on when we're going to tell you about these promos and these really yummy fragrances. Give us a like to show us some love.
And hopefully you enjoyed this like we did. We smell good. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.